Hey guys, do you really want to know what is the best phone for any student or for your parents with a range of 15 to 16,000? Well, in my last video, I reviewed Z85 thinking that was the best smartphone under 15,000. But later I realized there is another phone. If you just pay 1,000 more, you will get a lot of extra things than Z85. The phone I'm talking about is nothing but Moto G96. As you can see, next 3-minute video, I'm gonna cover all the specs of G96, but wherever there is a difference, I will notify that as well. So let's move into the display. Display is as usual same 6.67 inch POLED 3D curved display with a layer 5 Gorilla Glass protection, Full HD plus 395 ppi. The peak brightness can go up to 1600 nits. It supports 144 Hz refresh rate, whereas that was supporting 120 Hz. Moving to the camera section, as you can see, it supports dual cam with a primary camera of 50 megapixel, aperture of f/1.8, and the secondary camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide 118 FOV macro vision support. If you see how good the pictures are here with a macro vision. The front camera support is same in both, which is of 32 megapixel f/2.2 in both. And here's the main difference between Z85 and Z96. That was supporting the full HD 30 fps video camera recording, but here it supports UHD 30 fps both in front and rear camera. Talking about the battery is same in both the cases, and here the battery support is 5500 mAh with a turbocharger of 33 watt. Talking about the design, if you see, it comes with 4 different color combinations. All color looks splendid, and if you want to see close-ups, see how good this phone looks. It's almost like a premium phone, and that was coming with a IP52 rated water resistant, but this is IP68 level with a Gorilla Glass 5, as I already told. Talking about the speakers, it supports Dolby Atmos with a high-res standard support with a dual stereo microphone without any headphone jack. Talking about the connectivity, it is a 5G enabled phone, Bluetooth 5.2 technology over here. That was 5.1 without NFC support. And the SIM card is dual SIM with 2 nano SIM support. Last but not the least, the performance wise, it is a Snapdragon 7000 series chipset, but that was 6000 series chipset. Operating system, it comes with Android 15, but it comes with 1 year of OS upgrade, whereas that was coming with a 2 years of OS upgrade. And the storage combination is pretty simple here: 8GB with 128GB storage, 8GB with 256GB of storage. Here there is no combination of 2L plus 256. So that's all this phone has to offer. So this could be your next best phone. So stay tuned with me and do like and subscribe. My next video is going to be the best smartphone in 20,000 category, and the next one would be 25 and 30,000, and then we will go up. If you have any specific suggestion, do let me know in the comment section. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.